Hi guys, come do this acrylic fill with me. As you can see, I already broke one nail, so it's only right that I take the rest of them down. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just gonna make them a little bit shorter. And then I'm gonna go in and just go ahead and get all this lifting, get that out the way so we can lay this acrylic, okay? And right here, I'm just going ahead in with my sanding bit just to get all that extra shine off the nail so that my acrylic will stick beautifully. Now for a quick little brushy brush. Alright, I'm going in with my acrylic primer so that you know this acrylic can stick to my nails. And then this is my favorite part, going in with this acrylic powder and just continuing on with the ombre. So the video is sped up, but in real life, y'all, I really was rushing because my next client was about to be coming soon and I just couldn't keep going looking like this. You know, I already broke a nail, so we got to get myself together. Got to get it together so I can be cute for the rest of the day. Now it's time to shape these babies, you know, because what is some nails without the shape? I'm just going to go ahead and smooth out this acrylic and then, you know, go around the cuticles and seal the nail. Now, I know I said that laying the acrylic was my favorite part, but this is probably one of my favorite parts right here. Just go ahead and buff these nails out, you know, any extra imperfections, this buffer gonna get it together. And then we're gonna go with another brushy brush. And then let's have coat. This actually probably is my favorite part just because I know I'm done at this point. Let's go ahead and put these in the lamp. And voila. You see them babies after you see them. And this is the final product. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll see you in the next video.